Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making a stretch bracelet. You're going to need a pair of scissors, you're going to need some clear nail polish, some elastic, beads, and some kind of measure. I'm using a bracelet bead board. No, I'm not sponsored. I'm just using this beaded bracelet bead design board so that I can measure for the size bracelet I want. But as long as you're at 7 3/4 inches or 8 inches, that's the average size of a person's wrist. I have really tiny wrists, but I'm making these bracelets to sell, or give away. So yeah, I do the standard size. Okay, so we're going to start that in just a moment. Okay, so we're ready to get started here. So we're going to start, I'm just going to move my nail polish out of the way, and we're going to start by making a design, okay? So I'm going to do one big purple bead, 2 of these square beads. I think I'm just going to do that all the way around. Okay, so these square beads and then a round bead. Now I'm not going to make you watch me lay it all out, but that's basically going to be my design. So you do your design and meet me back, and then I'll show you what we do to prepare the elastic. Okay, so as you can see here, I've laid out my design. So I'm just going to move the beads out of the way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to our elastic. Now, here's what we're going to do. We are going to pre-stretch our elastic, and I leave it right on the spool. I don't cut it off. And what we're doing is we're doing just like you would before you blow up a balloon. You're just pre-stretching it. So this is done to prevent your bracelet from sagging, okay? After a while, it will just start to sag, and that's just the elastic has not been pre-stretched. So you do this, and your bracelet will last a lot longer. Okay, so now I'm just going to start beading, stringing the beads, and I'm just doing it right off the spool, okay? Right off the spool, I'm stringing these beads. This may be a challenge because these beads are kind of glued together. I was doing another project, and so I'm not sure that I might be able to with some wire. We'll try a different one. Okay. There we go. I got it through. So this is my section. So if you're part of the beading communities, you'll know that we always talk about sections. And that's just the part of your design. So now I'm just going to repeat this section until I've got them all strung. I'm not going to make you watch that. So you string your beads, I'll string my beads, and then we'll meet back here. Okay, so as you can see, I have them all strung. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to tie it in a knot. So a box knot, and then for the next one, we're going to go around once, but we're going to go around twice, okay? So do you see what I've done there? Can you see the bumps? See them? There's 2. Okay, so we're going to just make sure that's tightened, and now we are going to tighten this one. Nice and tight, give it a good tug, and then give it a tug that way. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take our tails. We're going to give them a snip. Okay. Then we are going to put a little dab of nail polish. And that just makes your knot stay good. I mean, it should anyway. Oh my goodness, I just got nail polish everywhere. Now, if you're lucky, your knot will slip right into your bead, but my bead holes are a bit small, so I'm just going to leave the knot showing. But honestly, it's not that noticeable. And that, my friends, is how you make a stretch bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.